Let's get started with Fitmust. When your Fitmust enforced transcender belt arrive, open the box. Inside, you'll find a Fitmust briefcase, a user manual, and a wall chart. The manual covers everything you need to know: setup, warranty, and a calibration certificate. The wall chart lists all testing protocols. Just pin it up in your clinic for easy reference. Now open the briefcase. You'll find the Fitmust module, 2 types of fixtures, an adapter, and a charging cable. These are all the tools you need to get testing. Choosing the right fixture is simple. Use the circular fixture for smaller areas like the wrist, ankle, neck, and trunk. Use the curved rectangular fixture for larger areas like the elbow, shoulder, hip, and knee. Now let's set up. Ashva X app. Download the Ashva X app from the App Store. Open the app and tap Sign Up to create your account. Enter your name, email, password, and clinic name, then upload your clinic logo. Just sign up. Once you're in, create a clinician profile. Tap Create New Profile, type in the clinician's name, and you're done. There are 2 other options on homepage, with Group Test where it is used for team screening, and Library has all of protocol set of assessments for rehab. Now you're ready to add a patient. Tap the plus icon and enter the patient's name, gender, weight, height, which will be used to give patients normative range, dominant side, and injury type for your clinical reference. Email is optional. Tap Done when finished. Select the patient. Connect Fitmust to your phone via Bluetooth. By tapping on the Bluetooth icon and slide to connect. Strap on the force transcender belt. Position your patient comfortably. Select the joint you want to measure, select the side, and start the assessment. If the patient is able to reach the normative zone, ask the patient to push to the extreme as their strength grows. If you want a quick assessments, you can measure only with Fitmust and type down the strength value into the Ashva X. This way, all the assessments are recorded. Fitmust records every effort live, giving you accurate and consistent strength data. When the test is done, tap Preview to check each iteration and update the best ones. Then, generate a report with or without normative. You can see the patient details on the report, clinic logo, clinician details, and date and time of test. Test reps with the normative range, best and average results, with peak force, LSI, and RFD in graphs, as well as in table. For reports without normative, it doesn't give the normative value. You can share the report with your patients via email, WhatsApp, or by print. When patient is assessed, next session, they can see the previous mark and push beyond the mark. With Fitmust, you're not just measuring strength, you're showing growth, building confidence, and proving your practice.